So you've narrowed down your choice to either the Vitamix E310 or the Vitamix 7500. Honestly, both products are worth buying. So in order to differentiate each product, I'm going to explain all the differences between each product in this Vitamix 7500 versus E310 comparison so that you know which one is right for you. Don't forget to click the links in the description to check the most up-to-date prices. The Vitamix E310 and 7500 both deliver impressive blending power, but there are some key differences to consider. The E310 packs a 2 horsepower motor, while the 7500 steps it up with 2.2 horsepower. This extra oomph gives the 7500 a slight edge when tackling tough ingredients. Both models feature hardened stainless steel blades that can handle just about anything you throw at them. You'll have no trouble whipping up silky smoothies, creamy nut butters, or steaming hot soups in either blender. However, the blades on the 7500 at 4 inches in diameter are an inch longer than those of the Vitamix E310, making them a bit more effective at blending ingredients. The E310's 48-ounce container is ideal for smaller batches and portions. If you're mainly blending for yourself or a small household, this size could be perfect. On the other hand, the 7500's larger 64-ounce container lets you blend bigger batches, great for families or entertaining. As well as cold creations, both blenders can handle hot ingredients for soups and sauces. You'll appreciate the vented lids that allow steam to escape safely. The Vitamix E310 and 7500 both feature simple, intuitive controls that make blending a breeze. You'll find a variable speed dial on each model, allowing you to fine-tune your blending speed with precision. On the E310, you get a pulse feature and a 10-speed dial. The 7500 ups the ante with a pulse toggle and a slightly more responsive variable speed control. Both models let you adjust speed mid-blend, giving you ultimate control over your creations. One key difference, the 7500 runs quieter thanks to improved sound dampening. This can be a big plus if you're blending early in the morning or late at night. Remember, while the controls are similar, the E310 is more budget-friendly. The 7500 offers a bit more power and capacity, but at a higher price point. Both the E310 and 7500 keep things simple with manual controls only. You'll find a speed dial and pulse switch, giving you hands-on control over your blending. Both blenders lack digital displays or smartphone connectivity. If you're looking for high-tech bells and whistles, neither model will wow you in that department. What you do get with both is Vitamix's signature variable speed control. This lets you fine-tune the blending process, starting slow and ramping up as needed. It's great for creating different textures in your recipes. The pulse feature on both models gives you quick bursts of power. This is useful for chopping ingredients or giving a final mix to your creations. While not smart in the tech sense, both blenders are quite intelligent in their design. The powerful motors and well-engineered blades mean you can tackle a wide range of blending tasks without needing fancy presets. When you compare the Vitamix E310 and 7500, you'll notice some key differences in their design and aesthetics. The E310 is around 2 pounds lighter than the 7500. But interestingly, despite having a larger container, the 7500 is actually slightly shorter than the E310, demonstrating Vitamix ingenuity when it comes to the 7500 space-saving design. Both models sport Vitamix's recognizable industrial strength look. The bases are solid and well-built, inspiring confidence in their durability, and the stainless steel blades in both blenders contribute to their sleek, professional appearance. When it comes to accessories and attachments, both the Vitamix E310 and 7500 offer some handy extras to enhance your blending experience. The main difference lies in the container size. The E310's 48-ounce container is perfect for smaller households, or if you prefer making smaller portions. The 7500's larger 64-ounce container is ideal for families or batch cooking. Both models come with a tamper, which helps push ingredients down into the blades for smoother blending. This tool is especially useful for thick mixtures like nut butters or frozen desserts. You'll also receive a getting started guide with each blender, helping you familiarize yourself with your new appliance. The included cookbook offers recipe inspiration to kickstart your blending adventures. Cleaning your Vitamix blender shouldn't be a chore, and both the E310 and 7500 models make it pretty simple. Both models offer a handy self-cleaning feature. Just add a drop of dish soap and some warm water, blend on high for about a minute, and rinse. It's quick and effective for most cleanup tasks. One thing to note, the 7500's larger size might make it slightly trickier to clean thoroughly by hand compared to the E310, but the difference is minimal and both are designed with easy cleaning in mind. And with that said, I really hope my Vitamix E310 versus 7500 comparison helped you to pick the right blender for you.